There's no time like the present to get your bow ready for the upcoming season. When I first get my bow out for the season, I like to check that all the accessories are firmly attached and ready to go. Start with the sight, make sure that's firmly fixed on there, the arrow rest, as well as the stabilizer. And then I like to check my strings and cable to make sure they're not fraying and they're still in good working order. I'm going to take my tube of wax, go around where it's frayed, and that's a common spot because that's where the bowstring will slap your arm if you don't bend your elbow enough. So I got a little bit of wax on there. Now I'm just going to take my fingers, and the friction of my fingers will work those loose fibers into the string. I got a few string silencers on my bow, here, down here, and over here. Those will wear out with enough shots, so it's important to make sure those are in good condition as well. Just by shooting the bow, the vibrations can rattle them loose sometimes, so it's definitely important to check that things are still fixed tight. Going over your crossbow is the same as a compound bow. You want to make sure all the screws are tight and you have a working safety. I've got a red dot on this crossbow. It uses a battery. It's important to make sure that the battery is fresh before the season. That way you're ready to go in the woods. This is the safety down here. You want to make sure that it is in good working order. These are my hunting arrows. I got them in my quiver. They're the straightest arrows out of the order that I purchased. I shot all the arrows, and these shot the most consistent and the straightest. It's important to inspect the vanes of your arrows while practicing. Sometimes an arrow will be stuck in the target and you'll hit it with another arrow in the vane, and that'll cause a tear. That tear will cause that arrow to buzz. And of course, practice makes perfect. You want to practice plenty before the season so you don't miss that trophy buck.